After Zendaya's boyfriend, Tom Holland, shared his thought about starting a family, sources are revealing exclusively to HL how the actress feels about the idea. In a December 15 interview with People, Tom Holland, 25, admitted that he's looking forward to having kids of his own someday, causing many to wonder if those familial plans would include his current girlfriend, Zendaya, 25. While Zendaya isn't quite ready to have children, she isn't giving up on the notion of getting married and, yes, she is madly in love with Tom, a source exclusively revealed to HollywoodLife. Although they were not photographed kissing until July, their interest in each started before that. They didn't want to make it a thing while filming Spiderman, or doing reshoots, because they did not want it to affect production in any way. The insider continued, just like any other serious couple, they have talked about what their future holds, including getting married and having kids together. They both want the same things when it comes to a family. But he knows that she is not ready for that at the moment and that she is extremely focused on her career. The source went on to share how hard the actress has worked over the last decade, which is why career may be the main focus of the moment. She feels she is finally starting to be recognized for her talent and hard work, and, just getting started, and Tom supports her in every way possible. He would never try to stand in the way of her dreams. Related gallery. Zendaya then and now, pics. Tom may want to wait for little ones, but he still seems incredibly dedicated to his girlfriend Zendaya. The June actress wrote a sweet message to the Spidey to her MJ in a December 15 social media post. "My Spider-Man, I'm so proud of you, some things never change and good thing," she wrote. When the pair attended the premiere of the latest Spider-Man installment together, they definitely seemed like the perfect, stylish couple, with Tom sporting a chic Prada suit and Zendaya stunning in a flawless Valentino gown.